There's a decent probability that you've come across creatine if you've ever looked for fitness supplements from fitness centers, journals, blogs, perhaps even your fitness-minded friends. Creatine's role in the science of energy replenishment and production is crucial. The ATP molecule serves as the energy source for people. Unfortunately, your muscle cells prefer to maintain very low quantities of ATP inside the cell. The rationale behind this is because using too much energy at once will make cells acidic and interfere with all cellular processes. The muscle cells require a little assistance from creatine kinase to fight this. Creatine kinase removes hydrogen ions from the system when ATP is consumed, which helps control the acidity levels. Moreover, in order to restore ATP, creatine kinase transports another result of depleted ATP, known as ADP, to its pal phosphocreatine. Before any other energy creation from other sources, such as sugar, glucose, and fat is even used, the first 10 seconds of intensive physical exercise are powered by this energy-producing system, known as the phosphoglycogen system. The creation of phosphocreatine is where creatine enters the picture. Because your body dislikes having too many ATP molecules in its cells, any extra ATP interacts with creatine to create phosphocreatine. The more phosphocreatine created by your body, the more energy you can replenish. And here is when taking supplements with creatine is useful. Studies repeatedly suggest that using creatine supplements can be advantageous, particularly with improving power output, even though your body can naturally create creatine from the breakdown of the amino acids glycine and arginine. After taking a creatine monohydrate supplement, individuals' power output is increased by up to 26%, according to a meta-analysis. Nevertheless, increasing muscle growth is one thing that creatine supplementation does not do, at least not directly, despite what many people believe. Creatine may increase muscle growth in two ways: by supplying more energy for greater power output, which in turn increases the stimulus for muscle protein synthesis, and by holding water, which may give the appearance of larger muscles without really increasing muscle mass. There are many more advantages. A study even demonstrated a significant improvement in the reduction of headaches and vertigo in children who had experienced traumatic brain injury. Creatine supplementation has also been related to replenishing glycogen, which is crucial for the creation of energy. Many manufacturers have suggested employing a so-called loading phase, where you take more creatine the first week than you would the following weeks. But the data indicates that there isn't really any meaningful benefit in doing so. You can choose to stop taking creatine whenever you choose, but 3 to 5 grams per day is normally the quantity that's been proved to have favorable effects. What about the potentially harmful side effects of creatine, though? There are undoubtedly worries about what creatine does to your liver and kidneys, but these worries have either been disproved or lack any hard data, particularly from human experiments. The only significant negative consequence is the retention of water in your cells, which may make you appear a bit plumper and make you weigh a little bit more. But if that was one of your initial goals, good for you. Do you still have concerns about other well-known supplements? Submit your ideas in the box below. Furthermore, remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future.